High Court Judge George Odunga has reversed the March 16th decision by government revoking the governor's firearm license and ordering him to surrender his firearm to authorities, terming the decision as unlawful. The judge also prohibited Interior CS Joseph Nkaiserry from harassing the governor in relation to the firearm issue.
The chief licensing officer made a fundamental error in purporting to invoke Section 57, which has ostensibly been modified by the Security Laws Amendment Act 2014, submitted as Section 35 of the Security Laws.
He said the action by the two was a clear indication that the security arm of the country has not embraced the Bill of Rights, adding that Nkaiserry ought to have waited for the 14 days expiry period after notice before delving into the matter. Meanwhile, a case in which Westmont Limited sought a refund of their deposit from Central Bank of Kenya has been dismissed by the Nairobi High Court. In the case, Westmont, who had wanted to buy Grand Regency Hotel through businessman Kamlesh Patni, sought over 5 billion shillings in interest after CBK retained its 185 million shillings deposit to settle a debt owed by Kamlesh Patni. Justice Joseph Mwongo, while dismissing the claims, said he cannot absolve CBK from claims of not knowing the money was deposited in their account. He directed CBK to pay the costs of the counterclaim. And Uber drivers have sued Uber Kenya Limited and Uber International BV over reduced fares. Kanuri Limited and 34 others want the court to restrain Uber firms from implementing a 35% fare reduction or the minimum of 200 shillings.
Our cars are being taken because these people, the moment they lowered the price, their prices are to that 5 shillings. That is the moment also where that all our clients ran away and went to Uber because they have seen something cheaper, and now they no longer need us, and that is the reason why we were not able to service our roads.
Let us have a competent authority in Kenya to come and study the local conditions and set a minimum entry point of fares in Kenya. I can guarantee you that there will be no more antagonism between Uber people and our brothers from the informal sector.
The aggrieved drivers and Uber argued their case before Justice Francis Tuyot, who urged both parties to hold negotiations with a view of arriving at an agreement before the matter is resolved by the court. Tuyot gave the parties up to February 8th to give their feedback in court. Lilian Otieno for Scales of Justice.